Previously on Socks with Sandals, our intrepid eponymous hero was on a mission to find cheesy chips and curry at Brecon.
Great, the chippy's open. This place used to do a mean cheesy chips and curry. See if they still do. No cheese. I'll have to go there again tomorrow and bring cheese this time.
And now the Brecon Cheesy Chips and Curry saga continues.
It's now the middle of the day, the hottest day of the year so far. It's over 30 Celsius outside. The sun has been beating down on the van since 4:30 a.m. And this is the best free sauna ever. Oh yes. Shouldn't spend too long in here or I'm going to bake my enzymes. Okay, I give up. That breeze feels good. You can see, looking at this high roof, long wheelbase Transit Connect, that it is a higher and longer cargo area than this small Peugeot van. Stop the press, hold the front page. Look at that, little bedside cabinet. My spider. Oh, 5p. Do you want that's good enough, isn't it, for me? Tidy. But will it fit here? What have we got there? About 40 something? Under 40 something. Right, all of you, out, 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 out. Out! Raus! Raus! Ausgehen jetzt! There he is. Let's see if we can do this Peter Sripol style. Well, I got it in, but look at this genius here. I can't put anything in the top drawer. Bottom drawer's cool. What a great piece of abstract art that is. 75p in Lidl's for a pack of 5 cereal bars with fruit and yogurt. Porridge is still cheaper. My Poundland can opener doesn't dig in to the tin properly. So, okay, so I've pierced it in now, and then when I try and turn it, it just skids. So what I've got to do is go around punching it like 100 times around the whole disc. Done it. You just got to be careful not to cut your fingers when you peel off the can lid. You can see up there on Penny Fan and Fanny Big, controversially, there's nobody up there. Normally you would be teeming with silhouettes of people walking along the ridgeway. While my laptop is taking all the memory from my GoPro, it's a good opportunity to put all of that random unsorted crap that's been hanging around with me for a month, frankly, and put it into those 2 fly tip drawers and these 3 Dunelm drawers.
Well, it was about time, wasn't it?
Although, to be fair, I will use this inaccessible top drawer as kind of a safe come, it's okay, I don't care what's in there kind of drawer. Everyone needs a drawer like that in their house. And if I'm being perfectly ruthless, things like this, the piece of plastic that used to be part of a headlight for a car I don't own anymore, stuff like that can just go in the bin. Come on. So there are 5 shopping bags full of various bits of useful and useless crap. I mean, these last 2, for instance, both have the same leaky brand of steering fluid. Oh, there was 20p in that bottom drawer. Right, pay attention 007. This drawer contains USB audio and broken watches. Second drawer contains 12 volt vehicular and so on wiring. Third drawer contains various fluids in all kinds of states and reasons and purposes. And the bag of bags, all the unused bags, are there. I think we should just put all those drawers in the chest of drawers. Tidy. And if I were a big shot YouTuber, I would probably offer whatever's been thrown out from all the stuff left over from renting as the first prize in a competition to write the most insulting comment below that doesn't involve any swear words or scandalous accusations. But, nah, I think we should just go to Brecon for a cheesy chips and curry. Yeah, I like that one. Better dress up and look posh for the chip shop. So no, I'm not giving this out as a prize. It really was a load of rubbish. And when you park up, don't forget to hang up your virtue signalling mask to make everyone think you're going along with a mass hysteria brainwashing.
Cool, look at that really nice rucksack. What?
Chip shop. Fridays. I see what you've done there. Can't believe that translates into Welsh. Whoa, cheese, chips, curry. Oh, there it is. So once you sprinkle the cheese on the chips, you pour on the curry sauce, melt the cheese through the chips. Oh, wow. And that is the Welsh national dish, cheesy chips and curry. Oh, whoa. You can't get it in England because the Chinese run chip shops don't have any cheese. They didn't give me a cutlery or a napkin this time, but that's okay because I came prepared. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch that, subscribe. See you in the next one. Good as new.